Welcome to this lecture. We're going to talk about how to take payment, how to get paid. This is the fun stuff. So with your business set up, it's time to open a new business bank account. This is different from your own personal checking or savings account because it's primarily used for your business. In fact, you need to keep them separate, and when it comes to tax season, you'll be glad you did. So what bank you choose to use is really up to you. It really boils down to choosing the one that you feel most comfortable with. You have to be sure to look for deals and other sign-up perks. These days, banks are more and more competitive. And obviously, the banks all want your money, so the smart ones are going to offer various incentives for you to sign up with them. Some people are going to tell you that you should sign up with a bigger bank because it carries more weight, but it doesn't really matter. It's often the smaller, more local banks actually that will give you better rates and better perks and a much better customer service. In fact, many times they'll even know you by name. Just be sure to do your homework on this. It really boils down, like I said, choosing the bank that you feel most comfortable with. With your bank information handy, what you can do then is set up your online payment processing. And this is going to be how you're going to take your payments from your clients. In fact, your bank may offer an online payment solution to get started, but PayPal works perfectly. PayPal is very well known. In fact, you've probably already heard it. You're probably already familiar with it. And it's very easy to use. And more importantly, your clients are familiar with it. They've heard it and they know that it's easy to use. Their rates are pretty comparable to anything that your bank will offer. And they also offer a lot of great services like, and this is the best one, recurring billing, which is what you really want with each and every client. Remember when we went over the numbers, you want 20 or 50 or 100 or 200 people all giving you $500 a month automatically. And that can happen when you set up recurring paying with PayPal. So getting started is easy. You just go to paypal.com and then you go to their business section and then you just follow the steps, and within about 5 to 10 minutes you'll be set up in no time. And actually with this you'll have everything that you need to take payments online, and then you can even incorporate this right into your website. So you will encounter some clients who will want to pay via check, or you might even get some clients that want to pay cash. So usually this is the very small clients and it's the very big clients. Obviously taking checks means you have to go to the bank, or some banks now offer scanning services where you can do it all from your phone. But don't be discouraged if someone wants to give you a check or even cash in some cases. The key though is just make sure that you have a great billing system set up so that you can track everything on your end and that you can send out an invoice every month. With the great thing about PayPal is that it does that all for you and you don't even have to think about it. But if someone's is going to be paying you via cash, or especially cash or check, just make sure you have a great billing system set up. So this is actually going to lead to setting up your bookkeeping system. And to keep things simple, you can use QuickBooks. It works great. They have both software you can download or you can use their monthly services online. Either one works great. It's simple to use and it's as complex as you need it. So it's as simple as you need it and as complex as you need it based on your particular business. You'll spend some time setting this up, probably a solid 2 or 3 hours. Make sure you get all of the details right. That's your financial information, of course. But once you get it going, once you get it kick-started, it'll become part of your monthly ritual, and pretty much that'll be it. And then as you grow, of course, and you're able to take on maybe a bookkeeper, whether it's a part-time or full-time bookkeeper, they'll, of course, handle this for you, and one less thing that you have to think about. So with that, you'll have your financial information set up. You'll be able to take recurring payments from your clients. Now you'll be set up online. The next thing to do is to set up your website. And so that's coming up in the next lecture.